Hey there, Sanka, everybody. Hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys liked the video on drop shipping. Now, there is a lot of questions about Amazon FBA and affiliate links, affiliate marketing will come after this. But Amazon FBA, is it halal? Is it haram? Can you be part of it? What's the whole thing behind it? Without any further ado, let's get this video started. So FBA is when you take a product, you take ownership of it from a wholesaler, a manufacturer. You can also do private labeling with the where, for example, you find a product, let's say you have this ring, right? You can take the ring and you can buy 1,000 units and take ownership of it, at least on paper, and also in the concept that physically they are your responsibility, they are your risk. And then you take that product, you work with Amazon, and you say, we have this product coming in to your warehouse in this specific location, and that's FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. So that you put it in the warehouse, and then Amazon will sell it for you, in the sense they're managing the logistics from that warehouse onwards. And you're managing your listing on Amazon.com, .ca, wherever you are in the world. So this is in essence what you do when you are doing Amazon FBA. Now, is this halal? So in the whole process, what you're doing is you're pretty much buying a product, taking ownership of it. Now, physically you won't have, but at least contractually you'll have the ownership of it, and the risk, the 100% risk of it. You'll send it to the warehouse. The warehouse will acknowledge that they've gotten it, how many pieces and all that stuff. And then you will just be managing your listing. They'll send the product to the exact person who has bought it. You are making the profit. They have their Amazon FBA fees, and pretty much that whole process keeps going. Now, in this, let's say your listing gets taken down for whatever reason, you have horrible ratings, you have to stop your listing. That entire product is on your head. Amazon will contact you and ask you, what do you want us to do with this product? If you're not going to pick it up, we're just going to throw it out in the trash, we're going to charge you for throwing it out, or we're going to charge you for managing this, whatever this product is. And then, or B, you can tell us where to ship it, and we'll just charge you for the shipping and blah, 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 blah. Or can somebody come and pick it up from our warehouse? That whole thing. I know somebody who had to go through this whole shebang, and they told me it was a miserable mess, and they're just happy it got over with because their product didn't work out. Anywho, when it comes to Sharia compliancy, from the different opinions that I've seen from ulama, none of them, it seems like, have an issue with it, because the whole process, you're not selling something that you don't own. You are pretty much selling exactly something that you own, and you have contracts in between to give or liaison to other people in regards to them doing logistics for you, or them producing for you. So as a whole, it's not an issue. Now, in general, me knowing Amazon FBA and drop shipping, let's talk about Amazon FBA. It's something that there's a lot of hype around it. A lot of people are doing it, but it's like any industry, I say, you need to be educated before you get involved. There's a lot of people that have lost upwards of $10,000, $15,000 just by thinking that, okay, I'll pick up a product, I'll just sell it, it'll sell. No, 90% of the time, that top listing is the only listing that sells. The rest of the people do not sell. And so you have to understand this. You have to find a really good product. You have to do really good marketing behind it, and then you have to make sure there's a lot of very good customer service behind it. And that is how you're going to sell, with consistency. So heavily recommended. If you are interested in this, find a mentor, pay for a good mentor who has shown success on multiple listings, and then follow their lead. Hope you guys like this video. Take care of yourself, and Assalamu alaikum. Subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.